Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open Message app on your cover screen. So simply provide solution. So at first open settings, scroll down, click on to cover screen, scroll down and press on allow on cover screen lab option. Make sure to turn on and open this. Click on this option and you need to first install this launcher and showing it to this option, and you just add your any apps. Just press on to select and add apps, and just select my Message apps. Okay, when I'm add in here, and I'm easily use this feature from my cover screen. So that's it.